Ever wonder why assembling a team can feel like trying to herd cats? It's especially true when dealing with superheroes. For decades, fans have dreamed of seeing the X-Men leap onto the big screen within the Marvel Cinematic Universe. The wait is over. Marvel Studios finally revealed their lineup at D23. Kit Connor will portray Cyclops. Christopher Abbott takes on Professor X, and Samara Weaving embodies Rogue. Actor alongside them are Inde Navarrete as Storm, Maya Boyd as Emma Frost, and Adam Driver as the chilling Mr. Sinister. It's a thrilling cast for sure. Um, but something feels incomplete. The X-Men's story began in 1960 with Stan Lee and Jack Kirby's vision, a school where young mutants could learn to control their powers. Cyclops and Jean Grey were always at the heart of it all, Professor X's most promising students. But they weren't alone. Three other key figures helped build the foundation of this iconic team. These founding members haven't been announced for the upcoming movie. Let's revisit who they are and why their absence is noticeable. It's Hank McCoy, better known as Beast, isn't just strong. He's brilliant. While others call on Tony Stark or Shuri for tech help, Professor X always turns to Hank. Their friendship blossomed when Xavier offered a safe space for Hank to explore his abilities. The Beast upgraded everything from Cerebro to the Danger Room, becoming an essential part of the X-Men's infrastructure. He's appeared in multiple films already, but deserves another chance to shine within Marvel Studios' new vision. And the Bobby Drake or Iceman didn't have an easy start. As they said, I think after accidentally freezing a bully, he found himself facing legal trouble. And Professor X rescued him, offering a place at the school. He quickly became the second official member of the team, and his powers grew significantly over time. Now considered an Omega level mutant, the same tier as Storm and Magneto, Iceman has potential that hasn't been fully realized on screen. Previous appearances were limited to building ice walls or chilling Wolverine's drink. It's time for a proper showcase of his abilities. Warren Worthington 3, Angel, was already fighting crime before joining the X-Men. Driven by a desire to do good, he caught Professor X's attention and earned a spot on the team, though briefly corrupted into one of Apocalypse's horsemen. Warren always strived for heroism. Angel had minor roles in previous films, even becoming an Apocalypse horseman himself, given his prominent role in X-Men 97. Marvel Studios could explore a more heroic and authentic portrayal of this winged mutant to so why leave out these essential pieces? Perhaps Marvel is pacing things, slowly building the team over multiple films, or maybe they have something else entirely up their sleeve. Either way, it's hard not to wonder if someone forgot to send him the memo, or perhaps Beast is just busy tinkering with a time machine to get there. First road. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.